I want to leave a nice signature on the check. We sketch a car.
Don't worry, we tipped over 20%.
Tipping, always so confusing. Are you in a rush? Are you in a rush? In Seattle. What do you think so far?
It's a little cold. It feels like nighttime, but it's like 8:34.
Yeah, it feels like, I just told Lindsay that it feels like Sweden because the lighting outside is...
There isn't any.
It's kind of, I don't know how to call it, gloomy, I guess.
Yeah.
Is the right word to say?
Very dreary.
Dreary. So it reminds me of Sweden, but it's cool to be here. A lot of cool shops everywhere. This is more like what I expected Seattle to be. Rain and gray. We have arrived. This is our little cabin for a couple of days. I like it. Look where we are! It's Sweden up there. Yay, it's my people! It's kind of rainy here.
It feels
but
like
we're gonna go
Sweden.
for. Oh, look at that! Look at that. There's an XC90 right there as well. I like this place. And that is Kurt Cobain's childhood house. Pretty cool. This is Lindsay's first time at the Pacific Ocean. How does it feel?
It's definitely
It
louder than the Atlantic.
And it definitely feels cold.
Oh yeah, it's cold.
A bit chilly.
You
Oh,
can
look
play
at
with
that! Look at that! Snap a photo. There we go. So apparently you can drive out here. Did not know that. It's like a Jeep commercial.
Oh my god. You're not even gonna pull on it first to make sure it's
I think it's been here for a while.
exactly why you should pull on it and make sure it's.
Woo!
Good god.
Woohoo! Style point.
I don't wanna. I'm scared.
All you gotta do is just raise your left leg and you're off. You're off to the woods. Bye bye.
Okay, that's good enough.
Today we are leaving this place. This is the cabin, by the way, that we've been living in for 2.5 days now. Super chill. And we're out here in the middle of nowhere. Just the way I like it. Going back to Seattle, and like tomorrow night early we're heading back to Florida, basically in the middle of the night. It's been good. I wish we could stay a bit longer. And this jacuzzi right here, super cool. When it's night out, it's super warm water in there and you just sit and look up all the trees up there. There is Seattle right there. That's where we're going. It is extremely windy. I wonder how many horsepower this ferry has.
A lot.
Going home.